Hey y'all, Lisa with Finest Camping here. We're going to take you on a featured camper tour for camperreport.com. We found this travel trailer and we have a fifth wheel, but this is a really awesome travel trailer in my opinion. So today we're going to tour the 330RSTS. I want to take you inside and show you some of the features that I really love. First of all, I really like the color scheme in here. The rustic white, I'm not sure what you call it, farmhouse white, but I just really like it. Another feature that I thought was really cool is right when you walk in the door, you've got this cabinet here. So you can either use it as a cabinet, it's got shelves, or you can flip this up and it's got hangers for your jackets, umbrellas, whatever you've got. I haven't seen that before, so I think it's really neat. The cabinets have these pretty glass doors on the front of them. This one is a little shallow because the control panel is located on this other wall. So that's what's living in there. Then you have this big space up top. In this corner, you have what most of us use as a coffee bar. Also, it's got the cabinetry up top. Has the drawer down bottom with the soft close. And then another large cabinet down here. It does have a residential side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator with your water and ice dispenser, which is nice in the RV. You have your Furrion stove with a drawer beneath, and then the microwave up top. Just more cabinetry, great little spice cabinet, drawers all the way down, fully extendable drawers all the way down, and again with the soft close. Nice pantry, lights up when you open it, adjustable shelving so you could make it whatever you need for your setup. And then there are two large cabinets under the sink. It is a 2-bin sink, and it has this nifty little water dispenser right here, which I think is a pretty cool feature again. There's where your water bottle goes to work with your water dispenser. Shelves over here, trash can over there, and there are bamboo cutting boards that fill this area right here. This unit does have the TV, JBL sound system, and the electric fireplace. We like our electric fireplace because it will usually heat the main cabin area without burning propane to run your furnace. So if it's just a chilly night, or it's not really cold and you don't need to run your furnace, you could just run that on the electric at your site. This sofa folds out into a sofa bed. You do have an end table on either end, and on the front of each table you have the two USB ports and a receptacle on either side. And then over here you have the theater seating with the cup holders and a little storage compartment for your remote inside there. Although the theater seating does not have a USB or receptacle, there is a receptacle located right beside it on the floor. And then kind of just a neat little thing, they have this pictured frame that's already mounted and has the backlight on it, so that's kind of neat too. Also, for the dinette, there's a receptacle under the dinette too. So if you are going to be using this, I know a lot of people are hitting the road full time, working from their RV, you could set this up kind of as a desk area, and you do have a receptacle there you could use. So another little bonus feature. Let's go check out the bathroom. So this unit is prepped for solar, and then here's your control panel for your control of your solar. You have that installed. So this is a really large bathroom. You have the nice vanity with the counter space over to the side, big cabinet underneath, nice cabinet up top. This is a medicine cabinet. All that in addition to this cabinet over here and the cabinets beneath. And a large shower. It's like a residential size shower with the glass doors. And then my favorite, an east-west bed. So it makes a travel trailer have the capability to have a king-size bed because it's east-west. It's in the slide, which still gives you all this floor space out here. This particular model has underbed storage. Rather large storage area there. And then it has these closets with 2 drawers, very long, fully extendable drawers. And then on either side you have a cabinet here. So this one is prepped for a dryer, but if you didn't have the dryer, you have more closet space. The one on the other side, prepped for your washer. And then they both have compartments up top, little extra storage up there. Then on this side, we do have a dresser. These drawers aren't as deep. They're deep this way, but not as deep front to back. And you have your TV up here. So now we're going to take a look at some of the features on the outside. So something I really like is they have these little magnets, so you don't have to clip your doors up anymore. You put it up and it stays. So this is going to be the driver's side of the unit. This, even though it's a travel trailer, has a large pass-through storage area, which is awesome. And then your water bay is right here. Something I do like about this water bay is that it is a separate place. It's a separate compartment. So if you spring a leak here, it's not going to get in to your pass-through storage and get everything over there wet. This is also where you control your water pump. You know, all that is controlled in this one area. There is another little storage area right here. This is going to be under your bed inside. So not huge, but would be a great place to put chairs and stuff like that. And we all know when you're RVing, every little bit of storage is important. This unit is a 50 amp. And so here's where your power plugs in. And then this compartment isn't storage, but this is the back side of your refrigerator. So if you're not full-time and you're traveling and come wintertime you need to winterize your unit, this is where you're going to go to access to drain the water out of your fridge, your ice maker. So important little area that you need to know how to get to. This unit also has a trailer hitch and the back ladder for roof access. Something I didn't mention earlier is this unit has electric stabilizer jacks, and the controls for those are in the pass-through storage up near the water bay. So out here on the front of the RV is where you're going to keep your battery. So here's the hookup for your battery. And then you've got a little extra storage area for things you might want to sit there and strap down. This is going to be where your propane tanks are, and this has the electric tongue jack. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this Jayco Eagle 330RSTS.